Number 6 is epsilon delta definition of a limit, which is precise definition of a limit. Prove that limit as x approaches 3 of 3x minus 8 equals 1. So to prove using epsilon delta definition of a limit, first A, find the limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 8, which is 3 times 3 minus 8, which is 9 minus 8 equals 1. Then if absolute value of x minus 3 is between 0 and delta, then absolute value of the function 3x minus 8 minus the limit, which is 1, is less than epsilon. Now the question is, what is the relationship between delta and epsilon for this to happen? So now C is, but now look at absolute value of 3x minus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3x, absolute value of 3x minus 9, which is equal to, if you factor out 3, it is absolute value of 3 times x minus 3, which is equal to 3 times absolute value of x minus 3. Therefore, we want, if absolute value of x minus 3 is between 0 and delta, then 3 times absolute value of x minus 3 is less than epsilon. But not now that 3 times absolute value of x minus 3 less than epsilon means absolute value of x minus 3 is less than epsilon over 3. So that means let's choose then delta to be epsilon over 3. So then we can then write, if absolute value of x minus 3 is between 0 and delta, which means absolute value of x minus 3 is between 0 and epsilon over 3, because that's what delta is, then 3 times absolute value of x minus 3 is less than epsilon. If you multiply this by 3. That means absolute value of 3x minus 8 minus 1 is less than epsilon. Therefore, by the definition of a limit as x approaches 3 of 3x minus 8 is equal to 1. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.